Yo, what's up everyone, it's Timothy. Let's talk tech, specifically how to dive into it without breaking the bank. We're talking free courses and certifications, your ticket to leveling up, landing that dream tech job, or just satisfying your inner tech curiosity. Whether you're starting from scratch or you've already got some skills, there's a whole world of free learning resources out there waiting to be explored. We're going to break it all down, from the hottest programming languages to the platforms offering the best free courses. This is your one-stop shop to figure out what to learn, where to learn it, and how to come out on the other side with some serious tech cred. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get you certified. Welcome to your ultimate guide to free tech courses and certifications. Whether you're a beginner or looking to advance your career, we've got you covered. First up, let's talk Python. You've probably heard of it. It's one of the most popular programming languages out there, and for good reason. Python is super versatile. Think web development, data analysis, even artificial intelligence. The best part? It's beginner-friendly. Python syntax is clean and readable, kind of like writing in plain English. Well, almost. We'll dive deeper into some awesome free resources for mastering Python later on. Before you jump into the world of coding, it's worth getting a handle on IT fundamentals. Think of it as the foundation of the tech house. You'll learn about hardware, software, operating systems, networks, all the essential building blocks. Don't worry, it's not as dry as it sounds. Understanding these concepts will give you a leg up no matter what tech path you choose. Plus, many free courses make learning IT basics clear, concise, and even fun. In today's digital world, cybersecurity is more important than ever. From protecting your personal data to defending businesses against cyber attacks, the demand for skilled cybersecurity professionals is skyrocketing. The good news? You can learn the fundamentals of cybersecurity for free. We'll explore courses that cover everything from basic security measures to more advanced concepts like ethical hacking and penetration testing. Data is everywhere, and knowing how to analyze and interpret it is like having a superpower. That's where data science comes in. You'll learn how to extract insights from raw data, build predictive models, and use data visualization techniques to tell compelling stories. Data science is a rapidly growing field with tons of career opportunities. And guess what? You can get started with free courses that'll teach you the basics of data analysis, machine learning, and more. Now let's talk platforms. First up, Coursera. They partner with top universities and companies like Google and IBM to offer a massive library of courses, many of them completely free. You can even earn legit certifications to boost your resume. Whether you're interested in computer science, data science, business, or even personal development, Coursera has something for everyone. I've tried their courses myself, and the quality is top-notch. Next, we have edX. Think of it like the Harvard and MIT of online learning because they actually founded it. edX offers a wide range of free courses from these prestigious institutions, covering everything from engineering to humanities. While you won't get a formal degree for free, you can still gain valuable knowledge and skills. Plus, edX offers paid options for those who want to take their learning to the next level. Udemy is like the Wild West of online learning. It's a massive marketplace with courses on practically everything under the sun, including tons of free options in tech. You'll find everything from coding boot camps to quick crash courses on specific skills. One thing I love about Udemy is the sheer variety. Just be sure to check the reviews and ratings before diving into a course. Not all courses are created equal, but there are some real gems to be found. Skillshare is known for its creative courses, but don't underestimate their tech offerings. They've got a growing library of free classes on topics like web development, graphic design, and digital marketing. What sets Skillshare apart is its focus on project-based learning. You'll actually get to apply what you're learning, which is a great way to build your portfolio and gain practical experience. Now, you might be thinking, are certifications really worth it? The answer is a resounding yes. Think of them as a stamp of approval, proving to potential employers that you have the skills and knowledge they're looking for. Certifications can make your resume stand out from the crowd, increase your earning potential, and open doors to new opportunities. Plus, the process of learning and getting certified shows dedication and a willingness to learn, which are valuable qualities in any field. With so many free tech courses available, it's like having a buffet of knowledge at your fingertips. But how do you choose the right course for you? First, think about your interests. Are you passionate about building websites, creating video games, analyzing data? Pick a course that aligns with your passions, and you'll be more likely to stay motivated and engaged. Learning should be fun, not a chore. Once you've got some ideas in mind, consider your current skill level. Are you a complete beginner, or do you have some experience under your belt? Choosing a course that matches your skill level is crucial. You don't want to get bogged down with a course that's too advanced, but you also don't want to waste time on material you've already mastered. Most platforms offer courses for different skill levels, so take advantage of that. While we're focusing on free tech courses, it's worth noting that some platforms offer additional benefits with paid subscriptions. These might include things like graded assignments, personalized feedback, or even one-on-one mentorship. If you're serious about leveling up your tech skills and you have some room in your budget, a paid subscription could be a worthwhile investment. But remember, there are still tons of amazing free resources available, so don't feel like you have to spend money to get started. Now let me introduce you to Techrally. They offer a wide range of free courses specifically designed for tech enthusiasts of all levels. Whether you're interested in coding, data science, cybersecurity, or anything in between, Techrally has you covered. Their courses are designed to be engaging, interactive, and most importantly, effective. They keep their content updated with the latest industry trends, so you can be sure you're learning the skills that employers are actually looking for. The best part is that Techrally is just the tip of the iceberg. There are countless other websites and platforms offering free tech courses online. A quick Google search will reveal a treasure trove of resources waiting to be discovered. Don't be afraid to explore, experiment, and find the platforms and courses that best suit your learning style and goals. The world of tech is constantly evolving, so embrace the journey of lifelong learning. I know we've already talked about Coursera, but it's seriously worth another mention. They have such a vast and high-quality selection of free courses that it's hard to ignore. Plus, they're constantly adding new content, so you'll always have something new to learn. Whether you're looking to upskill, switch careers, or simply expand your knowledge, Coursera is an invaluable resource for anyone looking to level up their tech game without spending a dime. So go check them out, explore their offerings, and start learning today. So there you have it, your ultimate guide to free tech courses and certifications. Remember, taking that first step is the hardest part. But once you dive in, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. The world of tech is full of opportunities, and with the right skills and knowledge, you can unlock your full potential. So what are you waiting for? Choose a course, earn a certification, and start writing your own success story. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips and guides. And be sure to check out the links in the description for all the resources mentioned in this video. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing,